Hello, this is a technique I'm going to show you for stress, anxiety. So if you had a bad day at work, for example, and you can't relax, it's all going on, the mind's running really fast, and you've probably not had arguments, but it hasn't been exactly a harmonious atmosphere as such. We're going to be using a Smokey quartz, wand, and a clear quartz. This is Madagascar. It's got a white phantom in. And also part of this, because I've mentioned the aspect of not being harmonious, there's probably been a few impacts on the heart centre, so I'm going to use a rose quartz. It's quite simple. You can do all these sort of techniques you can do on other people as well. I'm going to put a smoky pebble between the feet for grounding, and you can use some small smoky points. There's 3 of them there, which can be placed as a triangle in between the feet or the 2 ankles and in front of the feet, to help with the grounding as well. So we start off, and it's a double technique. It's smoky, then it's clear. So we start off by putting the smoky, and this doesn't rely on the pendulum at all, by the way. It's purely you tuning in with these crystals. So you have to create, obviously you're very anxious, so it's not going to be easy, but once you get going. So we place the smoky into the crown, and what you're looking for is that smoky will start to, I can really feel that again, start to withdraw out of the crown, so it will take your hand out. This is what you're looking to achieve. There's a slight pull backwards there. Now the smoky is dissipating negative energy. Slightly going, you can see it's a bit further up. You need a bit more of a pull there. It's going back in. Now the crown's got, every chakra's got certain levels, so this is probably reaching into the emotional level of the crown chakra. Yeah, and that's gone. What we do, we energise with the clear. Obviously, health and safety here. You don't want to poke yourself in the head with it. It does hurt, I can assure you. Yeah, and that's pulling away. And then we go brown. That's starting to go and moving out. Obviously, the more it has to deal with, the longer it will be there. And then we're energising. And the throat. I mean, I feel slightly more relaxed. I mean, I was fairly relaxed anyway, but I've had a busy day. Taught the course today. I went till about 6ish. But I'm feeling everything starting to relax. Doing this on other people, a lot of the time they can actually fall asleep by the time you get to the lower centres. And of course, stress causes a lot of problems. So a simple technique to avoid the problems connected with stress and anxiety. Yeah, we're down to the heart chakra, and just about get this on the screen if you like. Yeah, took a deep breath there and it sort of went a bit deeper. So you can get a lot of tension in the chest. Of course, the muscles from the back all come around the chest. Tension causes the muscles to tighten. and the chest to tighten up as well. So into the heart chakra. I have to say I'm relaxing even more. I might forget I'm actually doing a video if I'm not careful. I'm down to the solar plexus, obviously you can't see that, so hopefully it's fairly fast. So it's smoky, clear, smoky, clear. Allow the crystals to do the work. You're not doing the work. The crystals are actually doing the work. I'm actually down to the base. When you do the base, then do the centre beneath the feet, which is the earth centre. And that's quite relaxing. Now, I've also got a rose quartz wand, because the example I was saying, it wasn't exactly harmonious, so it's affected on an emotional level. So you can, after doing that technique, you can introduce another energy to it. So because of that situation, I'm actually going to put that energy into the heart chakra, which is unconditional love. Heart chakra relates to unconditional love, love relationships. And I'm also going to put it into the sacral center. The sacral center, creativity, and again is a relationship center. So I've put the rose quartz into 2 chakras in relationship to what the problem I discussed. Yes, you could put it through the whole lot. Rose quartz is very good for children, by the way. Works extremely well. Okay, thank you.